In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix mentions in Outlook. If the @mention feature isn't suggesting names as you type, we'll walk through a quick set of checks to get it working again in the Outlook desktop app. First, open the Outlook desktop application. This guide is for the desktop version, not Outlook on the web. Next, confirm that Outlook is allowed to suggest names when you use the @ symbol. Go to File, then Options, and choose Mail. Scroll to the Send Messages section and make sure the box for Suggest Names to Mention when I use the @ symbol in a messages is checked. This setting controls the small autocomplete list that pops up as you type @ followed by a name. Click OK to save your change. After changing settings, restart Outlook. Fully close the app and open it again so the change takes effect. If Outlook is minimized to the system tray, right-click the icon and choose Exit to make sure it's completely closed before reopening. When you compose an email, use the correct format. Type the @ symbol and immediately start typing the person's name with no space in between. For example, @ and then the first few letters of their name. As you type, Outlook should show suggestions you can click. If you press backspace to add a space after the @ the feature won't trigger. If you still don't see the person you are looking for, check your recipient sources. Mentions draw from your address book and the people you've emailed recently. If someone isn't a contact and you haven't emailed them before, they might not appear in the list yet. Adding them to your contacts or ensuring you've corresponded with them recently helps Outlook recognize the name. Finally, make sure Outlook is up to date. Updates include fixes for search and suggestion features. In Outlook, go to File, Office Account, then Update Options and choose Update Now. Let the update complete and restart Outlook once more. With the setting enabled, Outlook restarted, proper @ formatting, a valid recipient source, and the latest version installed, mentions should start working as expected. This combination resolves most cases where suggestions don't appear. If everything looks right and it's still not working, double-check the setting one more time and try a quick restart to clear temporary glitches. Once it's working, you can @mention colleagues to highlight tasks, ask for input, and ensure the right people are notified. Thanks for watching.